What's up, boys? Welcome to the video. Wanted to do a quick one today. A lot of people have been asking me what's the best way to margin trade crypto, long, short, and while there are a few options, the best option to go with is BitMEX. I left a registration link in the description just below this video so you could sign up. It's completely free to join, and all you really need is an email. It's pretty simple. Sign up is quick and easy. And the cool thing about BitMEX is I'm not logged in right now, but you can see this is what the dashboard looks like. The only difference is right here there'll be a couple fields where you can long and short. You can margin trade Bitcoin, Cardano, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Ethereum, Litecoin, Tron, and Ripple. So the good thing about BitMEX is there's no expiries, which is my favorite part about the whole site. And the fees are not as straightforward as I would like, but they're pretty nominal. So that's just one thing to pay attention to is the fees. You don't want to long or short and then you close the trade when you're up a little bit. You think you're up, but you're really just slightly down because of the fees. So when you put an active order in, you'll see here, and you'll see where in your open positions, you'll see what the unrealized P&L is and what the realized P&L is, and you could close your position right here. So make sure that the unrealized P&L is green and it is positive before closing a trade if you're worried about getting taking a small loss from the fees. So there's different ways that you can go about this. I put together also a free signals group that you can get access to also in the description just below this video. Our Telegram group goes over different scalps so you know when to log in, when to long or when to short, which coin you're going to be margin trading, and where to set your stop losses, as well as where to close trades. So again, sign up is quick and easy on BitMEX. I would suggest going and creating your free account right now. Just use the link right below this video, and we're going to be posting more content with tips and tricks to successfully margin trade on BitMEX. So join the free group. That's step number 2. Step number 1 is create your free account on BitMEX, and check out the last video that we made for a couple tips and tricks that'll get you started. And that's about it. It's really quick and easy to get started. All you got to do is enter in your name and your email. Like if you just go to the register link, you just enter your name and email, country of residence, and you're good to go. That's it for today, boys. See you guys in the next video.